दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। Mr. Rai submitted that the petitioner was acquitted by the appellate court and the High Court while disposing of the revision filed against the order of acquittal exceeded its jurisdiction in passing an order that resulted into the conviction of the petitioner. He submitted that in exercise of the powers under section 401 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, an order of acquittal cannot be converted into an order of conviction, and what the High Court could at best do was to order a retrial of the petitioner. In support of the submission, he relied upon the decisions of this court in a case of 1998. We find no merit in the submission of Mr. Nagendra Rai, and we are satisfied that the decisions relied upon by him have no application to the facts of this case. All that the High Court has done is to set aside the order passed by the appellate court and restore the order of conviction and sentence passed by the trial court. At this stage, it will be useful to take a brief look at the facts and circumstances that led the High Court to interfere in the matter. While the trial was going on, the accused purported to enter into some sort of a settlement within the complainant, his wife. In terms of the settlement, he accepted to take the complainant back at his house, even though he had taken a second wife in the meanwhile. Hence, when the complainant was examined before the trial court, she did not press the charges but expressed her willingness to live with her husband and his second wife. Later on, however, before the conclusion of the trial, she filed a petition before the trial court stating that the accused, the husband, had breached the settlement and thrown her out from his house. In those circumstances, the trial court recalled her for re-examination as a court witness under section 311 of the CRPC. On her examination as a court witness, she fully supported the allegations made by her in the complaint. Eventually, the trial court convicted the petitioner under sections 494 and 498A of the Penal Code. In appeal, the appellate court held that the order passed by the trial court recalling the complainant for examination as a court witness was bad and invalid, and her evidence as a court witness could not be taken into account for recording the finding of guilt against the petitioner. In revision, the High Court set aside the order of the appellate court on this score, and consequently, the order of the trial court stood restored. We are fully satisfied that in the facts and circumstances of the case, the High Court took the correct view of the matter, and its order cannot be said to be excess of the revisional jurisdiction under sections 397 and 401 of the CRPC. We find no merit in the special leave petition. it is dismissed. This special leave petition was filed against an interim order passed by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, New Delhi, in revision petition number 3183 of 2003, filed there on behalf of the petitioner. By the impugned order, the National Commission had rejected the petitioner's prayer for release on parole or bail pending final hearing of the revision petition and had directed him to surrender within 1 week from the date of the order. During the pendency of this SLP, the aforesaid revision, along with 3 others, was taken up for hearing. This renders the present SLP infructuous and it is dismissed as such. Consequently, any interim orders passed in the case are also vacated. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है. अच्छे से लिखिएगा. ऐसा उम्मीद है कि आप लोग इसकी बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. जिन लोगों को 100 पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती वो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कितनी मिस्टेक्स आई. ठीक है, वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा मैं अब अगली क्लास में अगले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ. इसकी 120 वाली डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर चुका हूँ पेड कोर्स में. अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं तो कोर्स को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. अगली क्लास में मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.